Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson we'll be learning how to conjugate the two helping verbs. Lektion 12. Verbkonjugation Teil 1. In this lesson, we'll be learning the two helping verbs haben and SEIN. We will learn how to conjugate these verbs and we'll do a small exercise. Hilfsverben. In German, there are two helping verbs, haben and SEIN. We have done these verbs before in some form or the other. Now let's see two familiar sentences where we have used these verbs. Ich habe ein Auto. Sind Sie verheiratet? These two verbs have been conjugated according to the subject. The subject in the first sentence is ich and in the second sentence is sie. Please remember that the verb in a sentence is always conjugated according to the subject or the subject. Let's now conjugate the verb haben. Hope you remember the pronouns we did in the previous chapter. We'll be listing the pronouns in singular and in plural. I would recommend here to please repeat after me. Ich habe, du hast, Sie haben, sie, es hat. The conjugation for sie and es is hat. Wir haben, ihr habt, Sie haben, Sie haben. This is how we will be conjugating all the verbs in future. This is important to make your learning easier. Please learn the conjugations as they are. Anwendung. Now let's see how to use these in sentences. Ich habe ein Haus. Please concentrate on the subject and the conjugated verb. Hast du eine Freundin? Wir haben ein Auto. Habt ihr Kinder? Frau Schmidt, haben Sie einen Moment? Er hat keine Zeit. Maria hat eine Tochter. The subject Maria here is the third person feminine, sie. So you conjugate the verb according to that. Meine Eltern haben einen Hund. Meine Eltern, this is also third person but plural. So you conjugate according to sie. Coming to the second helping verb, SEIN. Just remember to repeat after me. Ich bin, du bist, sie sind, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. Anwendung. Now let's see the usage of this verb. Do remember to concentrate on the subject and the conjugated verb. Ich bin 23 Jahre alt. Bist du verliebt? Wir sind glücklich. Seid ihr glücklich? Frau Schmidt, sind Sie zu Hause? Er ist verheiratet. Sabine ist Lehrerin. Meine Nachbarn sind sehr nett. Now let's practice a few conjugations to see how much you have learned. Übung. All you have to do is conjugate the verb and fill in the blank. Here you have to conjugate the verb haben. The correct answer is Wir haben ein Haus. In the next one also you have to conjugate the verb haben. And the correct answer is Habt ihr Kinder? In the next sentence you have to conjugate sein. And the correct answer is Er ist 34 Jahre alt. And in the last one also, you have to conjugate the verb sein. And the correct answer is Sind Sie Herr Meier? Well done! Hope you enjoyed today's video. Danke! Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!